Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani. I just want to get straight into the video. I washed my hair a few hours ago. As you can see, your girl needs a retwist. I have not retwisted my hair in about 6 or 7 weeks, so that is what we are going to do today. Now, I did do most of my hair off camera. This is how it looks, and I actually did this without a mirror. I've been binge watching a show this whole time, but I take 2 locks and ooh, this new growth is a lot. You can see how thick my hair is. Oh my God. Okay, back to what we're talking about. Okay, so this is how my hair looks, and then I'm going to take my gel. Now, if you watch my videos, you know that I've never used gel to retwist my hair. I usually just use water and oil, but 4C only did send me their lock gel, so I decided to try it, and I'm not gonna lie, this really was a game changer for me. Now, I'm not just saying that just because they sent me this product, because they did not ask me to make this YouTube video. I just wanted to show y'all my retwist method, and I wanted to show y'all how I got this bob. And I just really ended up liking their twisting gel. So anyway, back to the tutorial. I palm roll my hair. If you can't really see it, I'm going to show you again with this lock. But after I palm roll it, I began making a twist. And if you don't really know how to twist properly, make sure you really watch this so that you can see my method, because I'm also twisting my lock as I am like putting them together. So I twist each individual lock as well. Now, when I'm finished twisting, I place my finger in the middle of my lock or whatever length I want my bob to be, and I bend the twist. After that, I wrap the end around my finger to make a knot, and then I just keep wrapping it around. And then I take a rubber band to secure it. If you didn't get that, don't worry. I'm going to show you this again, and you can always rewind this video. Once I got done, I just did some finishing touches with some edge control and some oil, and then I wrapped my hair up. This is the finished look. I am so in love with this hairstyle, and I will definitely continue to do it. I feel so grown, especially when I put my hoops on in my outfit. Like, I just feel the best. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a like, comment, subscribe, share, all that, and I will see you in my next video.